Hi crypto and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you 3 different higher lows levels on BTC where we could potentially see the market retest for then continue to higher targets, and one of the targets is 22,500. But first of all, we need to see when the market creates the higher low level, because the market can definitely continue to some lower targets. Because if we are looking at DXY has the inverted hammer, so I would not be surprised if we see some bullish momentum happening in the beginning of the week, which means that BTC then will drop for then potentially give us the higher lows at some lower targets. Don't forget that I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what we potentially can see happening this week right now on BTC and DXY. Hi guys, have you missed me? I have. I am back. Let's go with DXY first of all. We have DXY is still consolidating. We saw a couple of days ago how the market gave us a huge bullish bearish, a big bearish momentum, and you can see how Friday did close. We have an extremely engulfing bearish candlestick on the daily chart when it comes to DXY. When we go down when we go to the weekly chart, you can see that we have the market giving us the inverted. This is a candlestick that we can definitely expect the market to give us some bullish momentum in the beginning of the week. So I would not be surprised if we have bullish momentum starting off, but we can see how it looks more clear on the lower time frames. And you can see how the market, as I said, we are just giving a clear bearish momentum. I would not be surprised though if we see the market coming up and retest the trend line that we have around 111.700. If we go down even to the lower time frames, you can see how the market is also right now. We did close exactly with where a previous support and resistance zone is. So if we just drag back the support now, you can see how this is a clear support since way back. Okay, so the market has been closing at this level at 110.800 many times, and this is also where we're at right now. So I would, as I said, I would not be surprised if we see the market becoming more bullish in the beginning of the week, based on that we also on the weekly chart have the inverted hammer with this crazy wick. So just because the market is in a sideways market, I think it's a lot about patience right now, guys. Everything is about patience. When it comes to the weekly chart on BTC, we have a bullish candlestick right now, and we are heading up to some Fibonacci levels, and this is definitely where I potentially can see us coming to this week. We can definitely have a drop now, based on that we understand that DXY have the inverted hammer at the moment. So I would not be surprised if we have a drop too on BTC. We did break above the trend line, the resistance at 20,800 not so long ago. So if we see that the market have a momentum down for a pullback, we can definitely see the market reach to 20,855, but we can also reach 20,734 or potentially 20,590. If we go down to the 4-hourly chart, you can see how the market is preparing itself to potentially give us a little bigger drop. I would not be surprised if this is happening. But between the levels 21,590 and 22,450, this is the Fibonacci level that we have since way back that I spoke about. But this is definitely the first level that I am looking at to see BTC coming into. So just because we see the market now have a pullback to the downside, that does not mean that the market will reverse the trend. That means that we are creating a higher high, higher low. Market is right now creating a higher high too. Either we'll see the market pull back down and retest these levels, or if we just give us a small pullback and then have the continuation even more to the upside. Because if we go down to the 1-hourly chart, you can use another Fibonacci, and we will drag the Fibonacci from the lowest point at 20,770 to the highest point at 21,432. And then we're just going to highlight the 1561% that we have between 21,073 and also $21,100. So I would, this is also a level that we need to look at before we see the market, drop down to 20,800 or $20,600. And again, we have the trend line right here. So as long as we are below this trend line, we're obviously still in a downtrend, because you can see how the market was in a pullback. And on the 1 hourly chart now, you can see the market structure, it's lower lows or lower highs to the downside. So everything depends on where the market is when the market is done with the pullback. And you know, I definitely see us drop down at least to 21,030 to retest this level. If we see bigger momentum, you'll see the break of this level, see a retest potentially, and then that's the confirmation that we have a bigger drop. Whether this will be a bigger drop and we have bearish momentum and we just from nowhere just become super bearish, can happen, because everything is probabilities. But these are the levels that I'm looking at right now to see if we will have the market giving us a higher low level, because as long as we are above these levels, we're still in a uptrend. Okay, so these are the levels that I'm looking for right now when it comes to BTC, to see how the market is going to behave, for then give us the scenario or the confirmation that we're actually on our way to the upside again, because this is strongly what I see BTC do. If you're someone that wants to trade the cryptocurrencies with low fees, you can right now receive a bonus on BYBIT up to $4,380 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it right here in the corner. As I said, this is for someone that wants to have low fees while trading, because we all know when it comes to cryptocurrencies, we can have extremely high fees, and we do not want that. This is a platform with leverage trading. Always be careful, always use risk management. If you are from America, you need a VPN, so make sure that you get that. But this platform is amazing. And when you look at the front page, you can see explore our full product site. Here you have the spot right now, buy and sell popular cryptos on the spot with low fees, and BYBIT earn, NFT marketplace, buy crypto options, BYBIT Web3. So you have so many different, get started in 3 steps. You have so many things on the website. If there's anything specific that you're wondering, you have everything here. So claim the best bonus available right now. So when it comes to BTC, we'll either see the market only retest 21,030 and have the market being bullish again and coming into the Fibonacci level that I spoke about around $22,500, or we'll see the market break below 21,030, retest the previous resistance or the Fibonacci levels that we also have around 20,600. If the market have bigger bearish momentum, we see the market retest these levels from below, well then that can of course take us back down to lower targets. But first of all, these are the levels, the higher low levels. These are the levels where we can expect a higher low for then see the market continue to the upside. So let us see how the market's gonna behave around them. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. Thank you everyone once again, and we see each other later, okay, in the next live stream. Have a great day. Mwah, Sweden.